Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to change the background of a photo using AVC Labs Photo Pro AI. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have AVC Labs Photo Pro AI installed on your computer. Once you have the software installed, open it up. You'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. To get started, click on the Browse button or just drag a photo to upload. Then you will see a variety of selection tools on the right. You can use the brush tool to paint objects in the picture. Or you can click the Object Selection tool, which can accurately identify the outline of the object or person in the picture. The rectangle and circle selection tools are better suited for objects of certain shapes. Foreground selection and background selection are very suitable for cutouts. Like object selection, they can accurately identify the outline of objects or people. And you can also click here to reverse the selection mask. Now that the character is painted, just click matting. The background of the image is removed. You can click here to change the background color. If you want to customize the background, just select Custom and it will automatically open your folder. Just select a picture and it will automatically fill in the background. Now you can click here and swipe left and right to see the contrast effect before and after changing the background. If you are satisfied with the effect, just click Save. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.